Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to upload a wireframe to Stitch. All right, so first up, let's go ahead and go to our dashboard right here. Okay, now what you'll do is just basically select whether it's an app or a web design. Okay, once done, select your preferred model right here. Okay, I'm just going to leave it to 3 Pro or Gemini Pro. Now in here, what you do to upload your wireframe is just go and click on this plus sign right here. As you can see, it says attach a screenshot, a sketch, or a visual representation, basically a wireframe to Stitch. So just click on it. And I'm going to go ahead and upload an image right here. Now I'm going to go and select this basic wireframe. I'm going to click on open. Now you can go ahead and make a prompt. For example, can you make a messaging app and make this wireframe as a reference? Okay, and once that's done, just go ahead and click on this generate button. And after that, your app UI or web UI will be available. All right, and that is it. Stitch right here will just automatically generate a design that will use your image as a guide or wireframe as a guide. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.